Welcome loves, and join me today while I do a golden goddess look on my beautiful daughter. Excuse my voice, I've been sick with a cold and I'm just getting over it. We will start by priming the eyes with a concealer to help with pigmentation and so the eyeshadow lasts longer. I like to wet the sponge, but that is totally optional. I am starting with a very dark brown eyeshadow on the outer corner and working my way across the crease. On top of the dark brown on the outer corner, I am coming in with a black eyeshadow to darken it up a bit. Make sure to blend, blend, blend to combine the color so there are no harsh lines. Now, I am coming in with some concealer to do a cut crease to add the gold glitter shadow. The reason for the concealer is so the gold pops more and sits better. You can create the outline for how high you want your cut crease to go and then fill it in. Now you take the golden glitter shadow and apply it on top of the cut crease you just created. Then take that dark brown you used earlier and help sharpen the crease using a smaller eyeshadow brush. And then on the outer corner, go in with that brown eyeshadow and blend it in with the gold to help the colors flow. Here comes our bird Louie to say hello to everyone.
That'll be good for the video.
Now I am taking some golden eyeshadow and applying it to her eyebrows for an extra golden glow. Now I am just applying some black eyeliner and then a lighter tan color on the inner corner of her eyes. I am also blending her eyeshadow out a little more here and adding a little more of that black color to the outer corners. Not shown is me priming her face with a face primer. You may use whatever works best for you. Now I am going to apply her foundation. Here I am adding concealer under her eyes, her forehead, bridge of nose, and chin. Then adding contour to the cheek areas, forehead, sides of nose, and under jawline. Then going in with some highlighter on the nose, cheeks, and forehead. I added some black dots here under the eyes and some gold glitter on the forehead using lash glue. Here is Louie again showing off for the camera. Now I am taking some white pearls and lining them along her eyebrows. Then I'm going to go in with a nude pinkish lip color and apply some gold eyeshadow on top of that. Last step is adding the eyelashes. Eyelashes literally make the look. I love them. And there we have it, lovelies. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more makeup tips and ideas. Bye!